What is good? So I am going to be talking about the Mr. Clean Multi-Surfaces Antibacterial product. I just kind of pretty much just came to a realization, but I'll talk about that in another cleansing video. But you can see I've been using this for quite a while. But I mean, hey, you already know about Mr. Clean. But you can clean every room in your house with this antibacterial product, and the scent is Summer Citrus. It does smell good. What I've used it for, like, of course, like for my bathroom, let's say if I'm refreshing the toilet, and I just kind of came up with this idea like maybe like a month or two ago, but normally I would just like spray around to make sure, like, to prevent anything like in the toilet or not. But what I've like started doing is like pour the product over, like this part right here, pour it over a brush, and as I'm cleaning it, even smells, even the smell comes out even more of that product, so it smells even fresher. It's like, oh, I should have been done that instead of spraying and then cleansing, which I mean, I still smell the freshness from the product, but with me pouring it over the brush, I kind of smell the product a little bit more. Not really think about am I wasting or not, because I'm trying to change products that I use, if that makes sense. But I will, though, slowly getting there. But what else you can use this for? You can use it for like the bathtub and the shower. Normally I use other cleaning products, so I haven't done that yet, but I'm pretty sure it will work the same way. You can use this for your floors and your countertops. What Mr. Clean does is kills Salmonella and coli in 10 minutes. Well, you could call E. coli, let me say that, okay, in 10 minutes. And effectively against like gram-negative bacteria only. So it's effective, with the bacteria that's like add. Okay. And if you're not crazy about the Summer Citrus, they got other like smells, so you don't have to necessarily get this one. It kills 99.9% of bacteria, which is a win-win. And I mean, what you do is just pour it over what you're trying to clean. Some people would put this mixed with like water or other things, but I'll definitely maybe like recommend water, maybe, if you was to do a mix, because I know some people do mixes with the clean. Put it in a bucket, and like if you're like cleaning the floor, of course you could use more of this product than the water, because you don't want to have it like really necessarily watered down, and like, is it clean, all this other stuff. You can pour directly like on like a tough soil or like on a sponge, and you just wipe and rinse with temperature water, so it's not like you just leaving that product on there, rinse it off with warm water. And for like apply for full strength product, you want to like let this stay on whatever you're trying to clean for good, at least about 10 minutes before wiping. And for like soiled areas, clean before following disinfecting directions. So meaning that you get online and you're looking for something, make sure that everything is clear off. You don't want to clean something while all your product and your appliances, let's say for instance, is on your counter. You want to move that stuff. You want to move that. You don't want to have food on the counter if you're trying to clean your countertop, if that makes sense, or you got appliances in the way. You want to move that. But I mean, I personally like Mr. Clean. It does smell like a lemony. I poured it in the toilet before, and I'm just like, okay. And on the back, it just kind of gives you, ways and what you can use this for, like kitchens. Let me go ahead and clear this up for you so you can see. Like kitchen finished floors, walls, appliances, sinks, countertops, garage disposals, bathrooms, toilet exteriors, tubs, steel, fiberglass. That's a good one. Doorknobs, yeah. Using stuff like this, I recommend you like using gloves. Like anytime you're cleaning, use gloves so that stuff isn't getting on your skin or any of that. But yeah, I really don't have any complaints on using Mr. Clean at all. I know they sometimes. What I've also seen is that they have this and they use the Mr. Clean. I think they have like a Mr. Clean like eraser. This is the Mr. Clean multi-services antibacterial summer citrus.